Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalomu alaykum, qadrli mehmonlar. O'zbekiston taraqqiyotining yangi davrida hukumatimiz tomonidan diniy bag'rikenglik tamoyillarini qaror toptirish, turli millat va elatlar o'rtasida do'stlik rishtalarini yanada mustahkamlash borasida keng ko'lamli ishlar amalga oshirilmoqda.
Dear guests and new expects and development of our government is undertaking wide-ranging course to establish principles of religious tolerance and to further strengthen bond of cooperation among different nations and ethnic groups.
Shubhasiz O'zbekistonda faoliyat yuritayotgan turli konfessiya vakillarining o'zaro ahillik, inoqlik va hamjihatlikda yashashlari hamda diniy rasm rusum va marosimlarni emin-erkin bajarishlari yurtimizdagi tinchlik va osoyishtaligining muhim omili hisoblanadi.
Undoubtedly, the handle of goodwill and unity among representatives from various religious confessions in Uzbekistan, as well as their ability to freely practice religious rituals and ceremonies, are key factors contributing to peace and stability in our country.
Ushbu yo'nalishda amalga oshirilgan ishlar hamda ilgari surilgan ezgu tashabbuslar nafaqat mintaqa, qolaversa xalqaro hamjamiyat tomonidan ham yuksak e'tirof etilayotganligi quvonarli hol albatta.
The work carried out in this arena as well as the initiatives proposed are gradually receiving high recognition not only in the region but also from the international community.
Muhtaram ta'lim ishtirokchilari, hozirda O'zbekistonda jami 2369 ta diniy tashkilot bo'lib, shundan 2170 tasi islomiy va 198 tasi noislomiy diniy tashkilotlar hisoblanadi.
In response, currently there are a total of 2,369 registered religious organizations in Uzbekistan, of which 2,471 are Islamic and 198 are non-Islamic religious organizations.
Son 7 yilda respublika bo'yicha jami 130 ta diniy tashkilot, jumladan 3 ta oliy va 1 ta o'rta maxsus islom bilim yurti, 102 ta masjid hamda 24 ta turli konfessiyaga taalluqli noislomiy diniy tashkilotlar ro'yxatga o'tkazildi.
Over the past several years, a total of 130 new religious organizations have been registered nationwide, including 3 higher Islamic educational institutions, 1 specialized secondary Islamic school, 402 mosques, and 24 Islamic religious organizations representative of various confessions.
Din ishlari bo'yicha qo'mita huzuridagi konfessiya ishlari kengashining tarkibida 9 tadan 17 taga a'zo O'zbekistonda faoliyat yuritayotgan turli diniy konfessiyalar vakillari hisobiga kengaydi.
The Council of Defense Relations under the Committee for Religious Affairs has expanded. Its members from 9 to 17, including representatives of various religious confessions active in Uzbekistan.
Respublikamizda turli dinlarga e'tiqod qiluvchi insonlarning barcha ibodat va marosimlarini emin-erkin bajarib, diniy bayramlarni keng miqyosda nishonlashlari uchun har tomonlama shart-sharoitlar yaratib berilmoqda.
Comprehensive conditions are being created in our country to ensure that people of all faiths can freely perform their religious rituals and celebrate religious holidays on a wide scale.
Jumladan musulmonlarning Ramazon va Qurbon hayiti bayramlari, nasroniylarning Pasxa va Rojdestvo, yahudiylarning Pesach, Purim va Hanuka bayramlari keng nishonlanmoqda.
In particular, Muslim celebration such as Ramadan and Eid al-Adha, Christian holidays like Christmas and Jewish holidays such as Passover, Purim, and Hanukkah are well observed.
Ushbu sohalarda konfessiya yetakchilari bir-birlarini o'zaro bayram bilan tabriklashlari yaxshi an'anaga aylangan.
It has become a cherished tradition for leaders of different confessions to extend holy greetings to one another during these occasions.
Shuningdek, so'nggi yillarda noislom konfessiyalarning turli ta'mirlari yuqori saviyada tashkil etilmoqda.
In recent years, Islamic religious communities have also organized various events at the highest standard.
Xususan, Arman apostollar cherkovining 120 yilligi, O'zbekiston milliy jamiyatining 30 yilligi kabi tadbirlar yuqori saviyada tashkil etilganligi ular jumlasidandir.
Notably, celebrations such as the 120th anniversary of the Armenian Apostolic Church and the 30th anniversary of the Uzbekistan Bible Society have been conducted with great distinction.
O'zbekiston Bibliya jamiyati tomonidan so'nggi yillarda yigirma turdan ortiq bo'lgan diniy mazmundagi adabiyotlar chop etildi.
In addition, the Uzbekistan Highways Foundation published more than 20 religious books in recent years.
Shu o'rinda turli din vakillarining xorijdagi muqaddas maskanlarga bo'lgan ziyorati muntazam ravishda tashkil etilib kelayotganligini alohida ta'kidlash lozim.
It's also worth emphasizing that representatives of various religious communities regularly organize pilgrimages to Islamic sites in the country.
Xususan o'tgan yillar mobaynida 600 mingdan ortiq fuqarolar haj va umra safariga, 10 ming nafardan ortiq noislomiy konfessiya vakillari Isroil, Rossiya, Gruziya, Turkiya kabi davlatlarga o'z ziyoratlarini amalga oshirdilar.
In recent years, nearly 100,000 people have participated in Hajj and Umrah, while more than 10,000 representatives of global Islamic foundation have made pilgrimages to Israel, Russia, Georgia, Turkey, and other countries.
Qadrli do'stlar, ushbu munosabat bilan barchangizni muborak Ramazon oyi bilan tabriklayman. Sizlarga baxt va omad, xonadoningizga ajr barakatlar tilab qolaman.
Dear friends, on the television, I sincerely congratulate all of you on the whole of the program. I wish you happiness and prosperity, and may your home be filled with blessings and love. Thank you for your attention.